How to use demo trading on OKX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to practice trading without risking your real money on OKX, then you can easily go ahead and get started using the demo account. First of all, launch open your OKX application or website and sign in as usual. Once you're inside the home page, go to the menu button at the top left corner and you'll be able to see a demo trading option under shortcuts or any other option out there. Just find the demo trading button and click on it. Now click on the start demo trading button on the next page, and then you have successfully switched to the demo account. Once inside, you'll notice you are using virtual funds, not the real money. You'll get a starting balance at the top of the screen, this one over here. This is your playground. You can practice trading with this virtual fund. You can start buying and selling crypto, placing market and limit orders, and testing strategies without fear. Once you are comfortable, you can go ahead and try the advanced feature. So there you have it. That is how you can easily get started with demo trading on OKX. Doing so is like learning to drive in an empty parking lot, safe, calm, and perfect for practice. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.